Hi everyone, my name is Marvelyn Miles and I'm a New York State attorney. I want to welcome you to my channel Law Seeker, and today I want to talk about the relationship between the New York law examination and the Uniform Bar exam in the admission process. Now, my channel is going to be geared towards primarily our foreign candidates, but of course I'm not excluding anyone, so all are welcome. Now, let's get started. Getting admitted to the New York Bar requires that a candidate do about 7 things. First, you sit and pass the Uniform Bar exam, the UBE. Second, you take the New York Law course. Third, you sit and pass the New York Law exam. Fourth, you sit and pass the Multi-State Professional Responsibility exam. 5, you satisfy the pro bono requirements. 6, you satisfy the state board of your good character and fitness. And 7, you simply pay the fees that you're asked to pay. Now, of course, all relevant information is available on the website of the New York State Board of Law Examiners, but I find that many people sometimes think a conversation breaks down the information a little better for easier processing, and that's exactly why I'm here. So let's do this. There is no requirement to pass the New York Law exam before you sit the UBE. Okay? That's important. The key is that you must pass the New York Law exam before you will be admitted to practice law in the state of New York. However, under normal circumstances, because there are examination deadlines to be adhered to, it is important to coordinate your dates to keep within the timing rules. Normally, you must commence the New York Law course 1 year or less before you sit the bar exam. You might want to take a notepad and make some notes because I want to tell you some dates. The last exam set for this year will be held on September 9 to 10 of 2020. The final date to apply for the 2020 bar exam is May 30. The next dates for the New York Law exam are June 11, 2020, September 24, 2020, and December 17, 2020. The respective application dates are May 12, 2020, August 25, 2020, and November 17, 2020. Now, if you fail the June exam, you may resit in September. And if, God forbid, you still have to try again, you may resit in December. So don't worry too much about that. The only proviso that I want you to make sure that you take away from this video is that you must adhere to the requirements to sit the bar exam within 1 year of commencing the course. I'm going to touch on a waiver that has been given later. Normally, if you allowed more than 1 year to pass between commencing the course and the sitting of the exam, you would have to retake the New York Law course. And I'm talking about the New York Law course and the New York Law exam now, okay? So bear in mind, you must still complete the New York Law course prior to registering for the New York Law exam. The standard and usual requirements is that the New York Law course should not be commenced or completed more than a year before the date when you first sit the UBE. But after you first take the UBE, you may complete the New York Law course at any time. Just remember that the complete package, the complete application package for admission to the New York State Bar must be submitted within 3 years of the second day's sitting of the UBE. That is important. Enters COVID-19 and the landscape has been adjusted somewhat because by order of the New York Court of Appeals on April 21, 2020, there has been a temporary waiver of strict compliance with some admission rules. My reading of the order is that the waiver of the 1-year time limits referable to the commencement and completion of the New York law course is applicable to all applicants for admission to the New York State Bar, and not only to graduates of U.S. law schools or to people who are in the U.S. JDs and LLMs. Okay? My understanding is that it allows any applicant who successfully completes the course, the New York law course, and completes the New York law exam after July of last year, 2019, and who will be a first-time taker of the UBE up to 2021 to benefit from this waiver. For these applicants, the time limit has been waived, and they do not have to prove that they have taken or completed the course within a year of the first sitting of the UBE. Okay? Now, having said that, my advice, especially to my foreign applicants, is to be safe. Out of an abundance of caution, let us stick to the original 1-year time limit if you can. Okay? That's all I have for you today. I hope you got some good nuggets. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course share. I'm hoping to see you again, and I'm hoping to provide lots more nuggets, lots more gold information about how to successfully navigate the complexities of the New York Bar and how to successfully break up and pass the New York State Bar exam. Okay? So for now, peace out.